Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create Starlink account. To create a Starlink account, simply head to the official Starlink website. On the homepage, you'll be prompted to order the service. Just enter your full service address or postcode for accurate availability results. Once checked, choose the service that fits your needs, whether residential, business, mobility, or others depending on your location. Next, decide whether to purchase or rent hardware. Select either standard or priority service. You'll then be guided to payment, with Apple Pay as the default option, alongside debit, credit, or bank transfer. In some cases, you may need to join a wait list by placing a refundable deposit. After completing your order, check your email for confirmation. The email address you provided becomes your username, and by creating a password to the link provided, your Starling account will be activated and ready to use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.